Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can delete all contacts from HUAWEI. So first, you will need to launch the Contacts app, then open its settings, go for the Organize Contacts page, then tap at the Delete Multiple Contacts, and select all the contacts either manually or tap at the Select All button, or option rather, and then tap at the Delete option. Then confirm your choice by, checking the I've read and understood, or I've read and understand box, and then tap at the Delete option once more, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.